Yes, I didn't park in one parking, but I took up two. Oh, what is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. So I have been contemplating this since the day I put it on, and I finally pulled the trigger and removed said item. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about the bull bar. As you guys can see, it's no longer on the truck. Now, we're gonna be talking about why I did it, some pros and cons. First, let's get into the removal, as just in case you ever wanna get rid of a bull bar, this is how you do it. First thing you're gonna wanna do is you gotta take off the grill. All right, cool. Once you got the grill off, then you have to take this piece off and this piece off. It just gives you a lot more clearance because you have to get to the other side of this metal piece. I think this is your crash bar. I'm not 100% sure. Now, I was gonna do a whole thing, like getting rid of this. I was gonna crash into like a plant from Walmart, but I was really scared that if I crashed into it, try to be funny, some type of thing was gonna go off, my airbags were gonna come out, and then I'd be a laughing stock. So we're just gonna take it off and call it a day. Now that you got those things off, they're out the way. Now you have full access to get to those two bolts that you need to get to. And then two on that side. Most of the trouble is getting like the grill and stuff off, but once you get the grill off, I mean, it's all nice and dandy. So yeah, let's get it over with. All right, once you got these nuts off, there's two there, two there. We have one more bolt right there on both sides, and then it should come off. Also, I'm a little bit scared because I am downhill. I'm at a downhill slope. I don't know if you guys can tell, but something tells me this is coming straight at my face. So I'm gonna try to get out the way a little bit, as much as I can, of course. All right. As you can tell, my beanie came clean off during this uninstall removal, but we're looking mighty snazzy. Now, 4 nuts have to go back on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no, don't. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then those two. Then grill sensor. And we're gonna be looking mighty snazzy. All right, let's keep it going because we got a lot of stuff to do. All right, for the big reveal, I don't know. I think it looks a lot better. Babe, what do you think?
I like it better.
I do too. We'll leave that as it is right now. But now, we gotta change the tire on this bad boy. The trusty, most reliable car we've ever had in our entire lives. Izzy Corolla. Just like that, we are back to stock. I don't know if you can see those tires over there. $250 a pop. $130 a pop. And Sandy almost had a heart attack.
That's overpriced.
Those are the cheapest tires they have at Firestone, guys. Nothing. They were like 108 last year. She's like, $20 more? What? But this is also why she is more financially stable than I am. Alrighty, but let me know what you guys think. I think it looks a million times better without it, at least just for the look that I'm going for. I eventually want to start doing stuff to the undercarriage, and the bull bar was kind of just in the way. All right, so first let's start off with why I did it. I'll be quite honest with you, there's really never a good why as far as why I do anything. It's kind of just like, I can, so why not? Also, doesn't help out that the company was actually willing to send this modification out for free. Modification, free, yes, it's a no-brainer. I really was in the market full of bull bar. I wanted something very rugged looking, very manly, and well, not that it wasn't that, it just seemed a little bit too flimsy for me. Let me explain. So you guys know how I did the East Coast Gear Supply bushing install, right? So that ended up leaking a lot, and every so often I just go under there to check it, right? And I was under there checking it one day, and then the bull bar was here, and I decided to grab onto it and kind of like lift myself up. I realized, not the smartest idea. Literally, maybe if I wouldn't have reacted fast enough, I literally just let go of it, stopped pulling down on it, and just fell on my back. That was coming straight to my face. And then I realized, like, in a car accident or against the deer, that's just going straight into here, stopping nothing, doing nothing. And that was kind of like my whole point of getting it. It was just gonna do way more damage. I don't know what my insurance provider is gonna say about that. So the main reason I wanted it was voided. It was meant to be like safety for my truck. The look of it just wasn't it for me. It had like bullet holes in it and like a crosshair thing. I would rather it just be a clean. Kid, I'm not playing with you right now, okay? 2 weeks I didn't record, and you're sitting here playing these silly old games with me. In the area I live in, it's 50-50. There's an off-road group, and then there's the street princesses. The street princesses rock it 100%. The off-roaders like literally don't have half of their front fascia. Like, it's gone. Just straight cut. Tires are hitting everything. I didn't really know what I wanted until I started to see more and more people with the bull bar, and I was like, yeah, no, I like this look better. That's why we even took off the wind visor, because, well, we wanted to see more tire, we wanted to see more undercarriage, so that's why we took it off, and the bull bar was just there blocking. I don't know, it just looks cooler in my opinion. But with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace.